Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
What's going on, guys? It's me again, Christian, IT support of Missan IT Solutions. Today I'm gonna show you how to make partition using this management on your laptop or PC. Just navigate in your start menu, right click, select this management. Here you can see all the disks that installed in your PC or in your laptop. For now, we select this D, right click on it, select shrink volume. Here you can enter the amount of space that you want in your disk. Just click, enter the amount. For now, let's say I will put 500 GB and click shrink. Now you can see that another volume is created, but it's say unallocated. You can right click on it, click new simple volume, click next, and select letter for it, next, then finish. Now you created new volume for your PC. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.